In this video, we'll be learning a very easy tutorial on how to remove search highlights or picture from your Windows 11 search box. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'll be able to bring up the settings window. Now, here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane. Find for an option called Privacy and Security. It is next to Accessibility in my case. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you need to find for Windows Permissions, and under it, please proceed to Search Permissions. So here you can see Save Searched, Cloud Content Search, and Search History. Click on that one. Here at the Search Permissions section, you need to scroll down. Find for an option called Show Search Highlights. Please navigate to the switch and turn it off. Once you've disabled it, close this window. And there you have that. You have just successfully removed the search highlights or the picture here from the search box. Okay? So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.